My name is Simon Callow and I am the Head of Technology for Excel London. So within Excel London, the venue itself is very B2B. So we hold large events. We can hold small multiple events, but mainly large events in central London. Most recently, we've expanded into B2C. So we have immersive experiences now available at Excel London, and it's a whole different customer base for us. It's now sort of a family and friends area, as well as the business professionals. We do all sorts of events, from the AWS summits, the DSEIs, the World Travel Markets, all the way through to immersive experiences now like F1 and Friends. Excel's here today, firstly here to collect an award and celebrate our successes. We passed ISO 27001 accreditation. So our drive for 27001 accreditation really came from growth within the business. We were on the precipice of going from a small medium business now into a large enterprise business. And we quickly established that the avenues that the business wanted to go into, which I mentioned before around customer experiences, would mean that we had to review our systems operationally across the business, not just in technology, and ensure that we were best positioned that in terms of protecting people's data and therefore building that trust with our client base, with the business professionals and also the general public who come to site and share what is knowingly or unknowingly to them the critical information.